Alright, well, here we are. See that sign way over there? See if I can't zoom in on it. No idea what it says. Let's see if I can't see it in the footage later. Nah, no way. But this is where we're fishing. There's the falls up there. Unluckily, there was someone up there, but I seen a fish jump right over here, and I know that this is a highway for them trout, so we'll see if we can't get on one. First cast in the new spot. Definitely gonna take some power bait here. Now, I've fished here before, and I've caught some trout, but that's usually by kayak in the middle of the lake. I never fished the bank on this lake. Oh, I had a bite. Oh, come on, you know you want to... Oh, there he was, damn. There he is. It's a little one. I need to set my drag higher. There we go. A trout. Oh, they just have to be 7 inches up here. And that right there will be 7 inches for sure. Let me hook this up. He fell off as soon as he come in. Oh, come here, come here. Oh, he's dirty as can be. Let's get the stringer, and I'll give y'all a little view of him. Here he is on the stringer. I didn't want to lose him while I was putting him in there, but pretty trout. Look at the fins, pink fins. Oh, yeah. All right, here we are. Some power bait on. Check the drag, not good. Had to put some line on this pole. Give her a cast out there. See what you can't do. I turned the camera off to reel this in, and look at that. I caught a trout with, oh, no wonder it felt so heavy. He's a little one, very little. We'll let him go if I get that hook out of there. But would you look at that? Let me see if I can't grab him. Yeah, he's really little, very pretty. I didn't even know I had him on the hook. Well, there he goes. Hook came out just clean. All right, now back out there it goes. Make sure it's on the hook right. Yep. And back out there it is. Oh, I had a bite on my minnow. There goes that rod. Oh, I missed him. Oh, it's going crazy out here. Let's get this bag rigged up and put it back out there. All right, power bait back out. Let's see if we can't get him on that. Should have had him that time. Let him hit it, let him eat it. He's just playing with it right now. Or he's swimming to me with it in his mouth. That's what he's doing. There we go. Heck yeah. Oh, that water's just so clear. You can see him down there swimming around. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. Oh, yeah. Oh, I guess one's a little bit bigger. Heck yeah. Look at that fish. Pretty little trout. Get another bite on this rod, but this time I seen it before it happened. Oh, and the wind's gonna start blowing. That's all right, we can still catch them. Yep, we got them. Oh. Yeah, fighting good. Oh, it looks better. Yeah, looks a lot better than those two. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's, ooh, this water's so clear. Oh yeah, look at that. He's about the same size. Not bad though. Pretty fish. Look at him. And back out there we go. There's one. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. There he is. Oh, he ain't bad either. Yeah, let me grab you. Let me grab the hook. Look at him. He's got like a weird little slope down, but and a thing right there. Oh, he's missing his fin. Oh, that's rough. I think I'm gonna let him go though. And as I was putting him up, I was getting a bite on this rod. Yep, there we go. Good work. Oh yeah. How about that? Oh yeah. Man, I wonder if I could see that trout fighting down there. Oh yeah. Oh, he jumped out the water. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, he come off. There he goes. You know what? Fine with me. Clean release. Yep. Bring him over here away from that rod. Yeah. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh yeah, look at that fish. Turn him back, he's a little small. Ooh. Ooh, that was not a good feeling. And you know what, I won't lip him. Look at that fish. There he goes. He's off. Ain't that just it? Hell yeah, another bite. I changed to a different color. Oh, he's still on there. There we go. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh. Hell yeah, he's still got a lot of fight left in him. Calm down. Ooh, right there on the bottom of that lip. Look at there. Pretty fish. I'll keep him. Bite's kind of getting a little slower. There's one. I didn't think I had one. Oh yeah. He looks a little better too. He looks way better. Oh yeah. There we go. Yep, he's definitely bigger than the other ones. So look at that one. It's just a little bit bigger. But I'll take it. I ain't gonna complain. Get him on the stringer. Caught a lot of brook though. Usually rainbow is what I catch out here. There's one. Oh yeah. Oh, I got one on the other rod too. Oh. See if I can't get him. Get him in. Oh, come on. Take her, buddy. Oh. I think you got all four I could even. Reel it in. Let's pick this one up though. Yeah, another good trout. Very pretty. Good looking fish. Oh, that hook got him right through the eye, didn't it? Yeah, that did. Dang. We'll let him go. Get a nice good release on this guy. There he goes. Well, that's the end of the video. We're gonna end it off here. We caught us 5 brook trout. Gonna be some good sandwiches out of these. If you'd like to see some more, subscribe and tell me what you'd like to see, and I'll see y'all later.